Namaskaram friends, I am your Gayatri. Happy day 3 of Navaratri. Today we worship Ma Chandraganta. Goddess Chandraganta is the married form of Goddess Parvati. After getting married to Lord Shiva, Goddess Durga started adorning her forehead with half Chandra, and due to which Goddess Parvati was known as Goddess Chandraganta. She has a half moon on her forehead that looks like a bell. She is beautiful but also very brave. She teaches us to be courageous and fight for what's right. Ma Chandraganta rides on a lion, carries many weapons, and rings her bell to scare away demons. She looks fierce, but she blesses her devotees with bravery and peace. When we pray to her, she takes our fears away and makes us strong. Today's color is blue. Blue is the color of courage, like the sky that never ends. On this day, offering milk and milk-based sweets is auspicious. Milk-based prasad is traditionally offered to Chandraganta to remove sorrow and bring comfort. Let's say today's mantra. Om Devi Chandragantayai Namaha. Ya Devi Sarvabhudeshu Ma Chandraganta Rupena Samstita. Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. So friends, wear something blue today and remember Ma Chandraganta. Ma Chandraganta keeps us safe. Tell me in the comments, do you like sky blue or dark blue more? Say it loudly. Jai Ma Chandraganta.